For a couple of days, I am getting inquiries regarding Deloitte NLA 2026, which has been announced recently. And you guys have questions like how we should be creating a resume which might get shortlisted easier, like the template for the resume. And also, recently, many of you are facing 403 forbidden error when you are trying to apply. So, I would be walking you through the steps how you can apply now and get ready for Deloitte. Hi guys, Subham this side, and today I would be sharing the resume template and how you should be filling that resume. So let's get started. So here is the resume template which you can follow. Like this is the standard template which has been used by Deloitte. And if you see, initially you need to give your name, email ID, mobile number, LinkedIn, and then the objective. And don't make a very long objective. Keep it short, crisp, like whatever you have done or whatever makes you different from others. And try to keep keywords which are technical related. And then comes the skills where you need to give languages like one common language like C, and other than that object oriented language like Java or Python or maybe both, and other languages like JavaScript, SQL, HTML, and any other things which you know, and developer tools like VS Code, GitHub, and everything, PyCharm, whichever you have worked with, and technology frameworks like Node.js, Express.js, every month stack thing which you know you can give. And even if you know pandas and MLOps things, you can add that. After that, education you will be giving, where first would be your college and whatever CGPA aggregated you have till now. Like the last sem you might not be having that, still you can have the aggregated of the like 7 semesters. And after that your class 12 and then 10th. And after that you can add training or certification whichever you have done. Any certification would work as you were applying as a freshers. And after that, this is the most important part where you need to add your project, and you need to write what project you have built, and try to add only 3 projects from different segments, which is very much important. And after that, try to add achievements like whatever, any small event you have hosted or any hackathons you have, or any achievement other than that, you can add that. This is the standard template which has been used by Deloitte, and this is ATS friendly to their software. So try to have this. And after this, many of you are facing the issue with the page link, where when you are trying to log into Deloitte NLA level assessment, you are facing this issue. So for that, what you need to do is just copy this link and try to open any of the VPNs. So maybe I can share with you the Opera one, which is easily available. So you need to go to the settings and just search here VPN. And if you see here, it's already turned on. I have turned it on, and then you would be going to a new tab and just paste it here. So if you see here, it would take a little bit time as it is a VPN thing. So after it has been loaded, if you see here, the page would open, which was not opening in normal Chrome when you are trying to open. And if you see, this is for engineering, and this is undergraduate science, and this commerce thing. So if you are engineering background, then you can have this engineering, or if you are from other backgrounds, you can have that. So if I go to engineering, you can see that here apply now button is there. So you need to apply, and don't wait for the last date, which is the 19th of January. Try to do it before that. Don't wait for your friends, because anytime they can close if the target has been achieved by them. And also, before applying, read through these general expectations. Like, you don't have this things like you need to go through this, and you need to be like flexible with anything like shift, location, and everything. And minimum criterias you need to pass, like if you see, you need to have 60% or more CGPA, and no backlogs, which is one of the most important thing every company searches for. And after, you know that it is a 4 lakh compensation only, so you need to be comfortable with that. And after that, here are some tips and how to create a great resume. So here you would be getting some points you need to follow. This is fully followed in the template. You can just copy this one and paste it to ChatGPT, and your resume you can copy that and paste, and it would generate a very good resume. Try to have that, and don't exaggerate in your resume, and don't try to make it a long resume, because no one reads a long resume. Keep it short, crisp, and have some technical words which would be better for you, and try to do as fast as possible. Also, you need to go through this assessment anatomy and recruitment tools, because these are very much important. Because when you are in the examination, and if you face any issue, they would not entertain you during that time. So this two things are the most important things which we're having, like many of you are having this question. So go through this. And if you want to know about a detailed process like interview and assessment, everything, I have a video on the Deloitte interview process with Karishma, so you can go and check that. That is a very good detailed video. So thank you, and do subscribe if this video was helpful to you. Thank you.